To fix Instagram ad post to your story missing and not showing problem. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you can do is you can simply click on the send button here. When you click on the send button, then here you can see add post to your story. So in my case there is option, but if you don't have option, firstly what you can do is you can simply go to your Play Store and then search for the Instagram, and then you have to update your Instagram app. So after updating the Instagram app, so you may probably fix this problem. But if you don't do this, if you don't fix the problem after doing this, so firstly you have to go to your settings, and then you have to go to your apps. Go to your apps and then click on the manage apps. When you click on the manage apps, you can type also in the Instagram. So let's say I type Instagram and then click on the Instagram, and here you can see the clear data. So when you click on the clear data, and it is saying that clear all data, so you can also clear all data. So you have to click on the clear all data and then click on the delete all data. Okay, and when you click on the delete all data, okay, then it will refresh your Instagram app, or when you again go back to your Instagram, the add post to your story by clicking on the send button here, and then you can see it. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.